Hello everyone, I am Shubham Das and I am currently presenting our project. The problem statement is Pincode based serviceability checker with optimal storage and retrieval in M cross n sparse matrix. So here we create a web page where you can put uh, your merchant details and also get an query as a buyer related to the query pin code. For example, first of all, if suppose you are a merchant, you can enter here and provide all your details and get registered yourself. And then after, when a buyer will visit it, he will enter as a buyer in login buyer page. He will give his or her all details, and then after he asks for the respective merchant according to the query pin code. If the respective merchant is available on the query pin code, the name of that or the mail ID of that merchant will be shown or reflected on the web page. So here is the project active link. If you go to my GitHub page and scroll down and come to the readme portion, you will find this active link. So when you click over this, you will directly visit or redirected to our website page. So here are two options available. You can log in as a merchant and also log in as a buyer. Furthermore, there are two more options in the top navbar is about project and contact us. By visiting to about project, you can get a brief overview of what the project is and what is the mission of it and how it's work. And now coming to the contact us page, you can get all the related links related to us, collaborators and my fellow mate Yesh Mukhopadhyay. Now coming to the main portion is a pin code serviceability checker. So if you try to log in as a merchant, so you have to click on the login as a merchant. After clicking, you will come to this kind of page where you have to give all the detail as a merchant. So for example, if you provide an merchant name like Appareo Retails, and after giving this, when you provide your merchant email ID, so like Appareo Retail @mail.com, and then after providing the password, any random password here we are giving like something like that. And now after, when you come to the entering the pin code, you first have to enter the number of pin codes you want to register. Means if you have serviceability in multiple pin codes, you can give that, or if you have only one, so you can choose one, or else two, or else three, or five. So we'll have multiple options for that. Suppose here in this case, if you are serving in 3 pin codes, so you can give all the 3 pin codes here. The first one, for example, here an arbitrary pin code of 6 digit, something like that. And the last one is about like, so according to this, Appareo Retails is serving on 3 pin codes. The first pin code is 7120000, the second pin code is 302021, and the third last one is a 712235. So then after providing all the necessary details, you can go for submit option. Keep in mind, even after clicking on the submit button, you will not getting any response. That doesn't mean that it is not submitted. It is actually submitted, and you can go and check it as a buyer in the buyer's portion. Okay, so after getting back to the home page, when you enter as a login buyer and providing all the necessary details here, like as a buyer I enter and given arbitrary name, So after providing an email id, then after a random password here, and then after providing the query pin code, for example I want to query for 71200, and then after submitting, so you will get here, you are actually getting three different names because it was already tested by us with a similar type of pin code. That's why you are giving the name here. Now coming to check with an another name or another details of a merchant. Suppose if you provide rock race and rock race retailers, and you will provide again email id. Keep in mind this mail IDs and whatever the name is given is just an arbitrary or an hypothetical name and mail ID. So don't try to use it for any use in the further. It's just for example here. After providing the mail ID, you can again give a random password, and then you will choose a pin code. Here again I will choose two pin codes. For the first one I will choose 810,420, and for that again the pin code I have given is an arbitrary pin code here. And then after, so here I have given two different pin code. The first pin code is 810,420, and the third and the second pin code is 895412. So here I have provided the two pin codes, and now if I submit it here, so it gets submitted. Don't worry if there is any response will not generate, that doesn't mean that it is not submitted. It is already submitted. And after getting back to the home part and again log in as a buyer, providing an arbitrary buyer name, buyers@mail.com, and then after providing the password here, a random password that you can give, and then after providing the query pin code. So let's suppose we provide the pin code that we earlier as a registered merchant, and I hope so this one is. And now if we check and it, so you can get the merchant found, and the merchant mail id is rockrace@mail.com. So in further scalability option, we can provide all the details like address, name of the uh, retailer, and all the details will be provided there. But for in the stage 1, we are just showing the mail id here. So this is all about the project. You can go and explore more about it and provide your valuable response here. And you can also contact us, or else you can get back to our GitHub page and ask for a pull request in our repo. It is a public repo, so you can visit and check all the codes here. There is no private anything available, so you can go and explore. Thanks for watching.